it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. I've got a real treat for you today. I'm showing you how to grill salmon using the grill setting of either your air fryer or your multi-cooker. It's so delicious, so easy, and it's perfect for a quick protein kick for your next midweek dinner. So let's talk salmon, and we're going to be using the multi-cooker cooking guide. So that is the salmon and rice. The rice element of it was pressure cooked for this photo, and the salmon part was grilled. So I'm going to show you the grill section. So you don't have to have a multi-cooker to use the grill section. If you've got an air fryer, a lot of them have a grill or a max crisp, so you use this. Or you can use the air fry function and cook it to 200 and just add a couple of minutes onto the cooking time. So a lot of these settings do work here with different air fryers. You've also got dehydrate, which appears on many air fryers now, grill, and then you've got your air fry section. And then if you have got a multi-cooker, you've also got steam air fry, steam roast and such like. So it's a great all-in-one cooking guide for if you want to know the times and temps of things. So salmon is a genius because you just layer in your air fry basket. Like I said, it doesn't have to be a multi-cooker. You could do this with just a normal air fryer. You're laying it with some foil. You can then grab your food in and out of the air fryer by the foil. All the mess is on the foil as well, so you'll end up with a clean cooking pot when you're done as well, so it's brilliant. And it's just really easy because you can just drizzle the salmon with some olive oil, season it with salt and pepper and any favourite dried seasoning. And then of course you can serve it with some rice if you want to, but it's totally personal choice. You could have it with some salad, you could have it as a taco bowl, it can be anything you want it to be. So we're going to start by adding in the foil. So what I recommend is pull off some foil that's just slightly over the size of your air fryer, because then you could create a little basket area like this. And then you just add it in, and if you look now, it's really easy for you to be able to get it back out again when it's done. So just make sure it's pressed down so it's not going to fly about. And yes, you can use foil in the air fryer. It throws a lot of people because you can in a microwave, but you most certainly can. We've done a few videos on foil in the air fryer, and foil trays are also really good too. So I've got some salmon fillets here. They're from Morrison's, they're really good. The skin on. So if you just want to grab some scissors or whatever you have to get into your pack. And then these are the size of the salmon fillets. They're about 110 grams, which I believe is about 4 ounce. And then pop them both in there like that. Oh, don't they look cute? And I'm just going to get rid of the packaging and wash my hands, and then we can season them. So, wash my hands. Let's start with some olive oil. So you just want a little bit of olive oil over the tops. And then we're just doing a light seasoning here because salmon tastes so good on its own, it doesn't really need a lot. So a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and then I've also got some dried dill. Dried dill goes brilliant with salmon, and I find that I only ever use it on fish, so I end up with loads of it spare in the cupboard. So that's enough dill there. So now we're ready to go on. So we better consult this. Better way. So remember, we're in the grill section, and then we've got a nice fish section here, which the kids will be happy about because it's also got frozen fish fingers. And salmon fillets, 110 grams, 4 ounces, 10 minutes, 240 Celsius, that's 465 Fahrenheit. So it gives you all those instructions in there so that you can stop burning your food when you're using these gadgets. So pop the lid down. So then for the salmon, we're using the grill feature. So 240 Celsius, 465 Fahrenheit, a cook time of 10 minutes, and then press start.
When you first got a multi-cooker, it's so hard understanding the times and temps and getting the food spot on and cooked perfectly. That's why we've made for you the multi-cooker cooking guide. It features all the main functions of the multi-cooker, from dehydrate to grill to steam roast to steam air fry, pressure cooking, and of course simple everyday air frying. It's perfect for lots of different types of multi-cookers, from Instant Pot users to Ninja Foodi users, Ninja Speedy, air fryer. Even if you've got a flex straw, it's just perfect for so many of them. You'll find the link below in the description and you can pre-order it now. And now let's get back to the video.
And we've beeped. So, are you ready to check out this salmon? Are you ready? Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful salmon. And like I said, it's so easy using the grill setting, and it's great if you've got an air fryer with a max crisp, or you can do it like this, and it's just wonderful. And also in our time and temp guide, depending on which gadget you've got, we've also got it just for air fry, we've got it for steam as well, so you've got quite a lot of options. And then like I said, you can just grab it by the foil. Look at that, isn't that easy? And then pop it down next to your gadget, and then let's have a closer look at that. Doesn't that look lovely? And then another thing, when you're removing it, you can get your spatula right under and it'll take the skin off for you because it sticks to the foil. So it's a great way if you want to get the skin off your salmon before you're serving it for dinner. So talking about dinner, I've already done some rice. There's the coconut lime rice. So let's pop some salmon on top. And there you go. Dinner is sorted. Such an easy recipe to do as well, and paired with some coconut lime rice, it's just a dream come true for a really quick and easy lunch or dinner. Oh, so should I try some? So first of all, the rice. Oh, that's good. I love the coconut rice, it's just so nice. And it's just so easy, you haven't got to worry of it sticking to your cooking pot and whatnot. And then the salmon. Oh my god, salmon is just so good. You know, it's one of those ingredients we're all putting in our trolley each week and we're always looking for a delicious way to serve it. Well, this is it. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.